I'd like to review what is found in the job search process folder when you click here. There are three sections: the job search, resume, which is submission sites, and LinkedIn. On the job search, there is no assignment. This is just for reference, and it was created for face-to-face students. And you may already be familiar with the items in the workbook. I don't know. There's a diversity in the class. Then you have the submission site for the two activities: your resume after it's approved by Career Services, and it's your responsibility to get it back from them. And I put a due date far out, but please don't forget to get on it. And then the feedback sheet that Career Services will provide about your resume. You can submit them both by simply clicking on this list. There you go. This is simply their assessment rubric. This is no assignment. I'm suggesting you save it as a reference in case you do want to go off and do a job search, be it vertical or leaving a company or a business. Then LinkedIn. Just one link, clicking here to submit it. Again, I put the due date pretty far out. Then I have LinkedIn support materials and an example of excellence in LinkedIn. Well, that is how this section, the job search process, is organized.